Hi dear pal, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip. I'm glad we meet again, and in this short ABC Useful video, we're going to show you how you can make use of a template like that in Google Jamboard to entice students to be participative in your activity, in group work, individual work, alright? Taking the idea of order and sequence, we call this template in order. At the end of the video, you will be given a URL link where you can download this particular template into your Google Drive for your own use, where the template is not movable and you can add any wordings into the boxes to let the student be participative in the order that you want them to participate in your lesson. It can be used as a sequencing order of student suggestion, where student 1 is supposed to give the first idea, followed by second student, third, and so on and so forth. Alright. It can be an essay writing of a certain concept you are teaching, or even a composition where first student come up with first idea, the second student continue the idea, and the third student continue the previous idea to come up with creative ideas. Or for any conceptual topics or ideas, alright, you can start with concept or keywords and then some definitions, and then followed by maybe some characteristics, alright, and some examples or applications. Okay, such order you can even include just 3 boxes for students to follow a certain flow of thoughts. Okay, let's quickly dive right in, and I hope this will give you the value of how to use this and create this nice, wonderful template to increase the interest of your students in your lesson and also to gain maximum engagement. To be first to be notified of future useful EdTech video, please remember to click subscribe at the bottom and also click the notification bell and give us a like and maybe some comments of how you can use it, right? Then we'll dive right in. To create the template, just go into your Google Drive in the folder that you like. Let's say I want to be creating the template in order folder. Go to the folder, click on the left hand top corner, this new icon here, go down to the bottom because we are now using Jamboard. Click Jamboard here, click create. Okay, first thing, change the title, alright, to the title that you want to call the template in order, and then immediately you can actually put in all the boxes, and for me, boxes will be fine at the moment because I want to see how much space the 4 boxes will take up, and this is the shape that I would like. Okay, you can choose any other shape that you would prefer. Alright, so we'll click on the shape, and then I just click where I want to start the box to be with the cross. Okay, and then I just move it out. Okay, alright, so I want 4 boxes altogether, but I would like to estimate it in such a way that all the 4 boxes will be evenly spaced out. Alright, and I would like this box to have a certain color, so the lines to be of certain color. I click on this pencil and then I'll change to the color, the first color that I want, and I want it inside to be white in particular. I want to click it particularly because later I will have the background of different colors and the inside will be white. Okay, so after this I will just click on the 3 dots at the top right hand corner and I duplicate, and then I will just move that duplicated box into the next space, and same as before, I'll change it to another color, which is in this case a yellow, and then I'll click, and then I'll just keep on doing that. If you realize that I kept enough space between the boxes so that I can actually put an arrow to determine the flow, right, of the boxes. You can actually change it to lines so that the flow can be in an order for you to put the numbers in any order. And now I have duplicated the 4 boxes, changing all the different colors. Next is to add on the arrow, and the arrow can be found easily by going into add image. Click add image. Okay, in this add image panel, you can actually find an image from the Google Images. You can search for images that you want. In this case, I would like arrow, so I just click arrow, and I would like it to be transparent, so PNG will make it transparent pictures chosen. Alright, and then I will choose an arrow that I would like. Okay, maybe I choose this arrow here. Okay, quite squarish, easier to put it in. And then once it's pasted into the Jamboard, you just have to resize by clicking on the bottom right corner Okay, make it small enough. Okay, and then you can easily change the direction by going to the top left hand corner and turn it, click and turn it. Alright. Okay, now you have the first arrow done, and then the rest will be the same of the boxes duplicating each one of them. By clicking the 3 dots, find the 3 dots because you have to spin it around. Okay, and then duplicate it. Okay, and then down here I will spin it around again. Okay, so it's the bottom here. Yeah, and then changing the size to fit into the space that you have allocated for it, and duplicate it again, and so on and so forth. I usually like to stop at 3 arrows so that it ends over here in this last red box. But if you want it to be a circular concept, alright, that means with a spiral concept, you can actually add one more here, one more arrow here to make it continuable. Last but not least, add in the title by clicking text box and then going to the top here and then changing it to maybe a title display. Okay, title, format, font, and then I'll go in order. Okay, so I can actually easily change the size by just making it just nice to the length of the wordings. Okay, and clicking the bottom right and then expanding the size. Okay, to the size that I want, and because I want the background to be black, I will change the color of the words to white. Now I can see it. So later it will appear with the background black. Changing the background is pretty simple. I go to set background, click on it, and then go to the bottom here, right hand image, click on adding image, go to Google Images, and I want to find star background. Okay, click on it. All the star backgrounds will appear, and I'll just click on one. You can scroll around to look for the correct background that you want, and just take note that the background will actually fit exactly to the same shape. So try to choose a shape like that. Okay, slightly a bit longer, not too long like that. Okay, yep. So about the size of the frame of your Google Jamboard, and then it will fit the entire page. Alright, so you have that in order. Okay, this is the exact shape that you want. Okay, now the main thing is that they are still all movable, and you want to lock all these shapes. Okay, very simple. Okay, you just have to download it as a picture and then put it up as background again. Okay, so go to the top right corner with these 3 dots here, click on it and save frame. Okay, and the frame will be downloaded over here. Alright, if it doesn't appear as a download file here, you just have to go over to your file manager, go to download, alright, the download folder, and you will find your file over there as a downloaded folder. Alright, minimize this folder, alright, so that you can actually put it beside your Jamboard. Okay, then go back to the Jamboard again. Now you can click on a new frame, blank frame, okay, by clicking the create frame right arrow at the top. Okay, click that. Then now you can set a background and import that particular file in by going to upload, clicking upload. Alright, okay, so how do you get this in? Okay, click your file manager again with the download folder. Alright, then bring this over by clicking the particular background that you have downloaded over to here, click and hold, and then let go. Alright, it will be downloaded. Okay, now it is a background, alright, of your template, and this time now the student can't click any of the items that you have created. Alright, so you can add any wordings here, alright, to stipulate what will be the order that you want. Alright, and this will be your awesome in order template. Awesome, we have come to the end of the video, and this is the URL to download your own copy of the in order template into your own Google Drive and make use of it straight away. And I hope you love this video and find values in this video. Alright, and in this particular template, you can have 2 different designs. Alright, yep. And I look forward to more videos to share with you more fun ideas to engage your student fully in class, increase their interest, or even help you with the students' learning mastery. Look forward to future videos again. See you again. Take care.